What if I told you we could bring back life back then that could thrive again in about a few years? But it's happening. Today, we're diving into ecosystem restoration and how we can all be part of the solution. And guess what? We don't need fancy technology to do it. Sometimes it's as easy as planting a tree, cleaning up waste, for example. Or it's that simple as protecting this natural habitat. But it's not about just plants, vegetation, and land. Wetlands, oceans are also bouncing back because of the conservation efforts. Mr. Tabang, as the garden manager of the Karoo Botanical Garden, what methods would you say are most effective in restoring damaged ecosystem?
There are several methods that you can use, but I think it also depends on the condition of the land that you want to restore and also the resources that you have. If you are financially stable, then we can say active restoration is a good method. However, you don't want to be overspending to try and bring one back. You might as well consider passive restoration as a primary place to start. It includes where you just need to assist minimal. For an example, you just need to clear off invasives and maybe let the vegetation to restore itself with their existence.
Ecosystem restoration isn't just for scientists, it's all for us. And together, we can bring our planet back to life.